Today we will be installing a newer Speed Queen machine. First, start by unlocking the machine and lifting the lid. You can set this against the wall behind if there is one, or use a prop stick. Next, you're going to find your Laundry Boss harness. This is identifiable by the purple and the black wire, which goes to this plug. The other end will be a red and a black wire, which goes to this plug. We will start by connecting the coin connections. There is a red, black, and white wire coming off the back of a coin mech. Unplug that. You'll hear an alarm sound. This is normal. Plug the male end of the Laundry Boss harness into the female connector coming off of the coin mechanism. You will hear a click. Plug the male end coming from the board into the female end of the Laundry Boss connector until you hear a click. Next, you're going to need to locate the 2-pin power plug. On this machine, this is right here. Simply take your connector and attach it to the 2-pin power plug. And finally, we are going to connect using the red crimp tap our ground wire. This is connected to the top rightmost pink wire in this connector here. You'll see that ours is wrapped with electrical tape to make sure that we know which one we're looking for. We're going to insert our black wire into the crimp tap and use a set of lineman pliers to squeeze it tight. You'll know that it's connected when you tug on the wire and it doesn't pull out. Close the connector and then connect the Laundry Boss MIB. You should see a green light on the interior if this is connected correctly. Place this in a comfortable position inside the machine where it will not interfere with other components, and tie up your wires. Make sure that they're out of the way of the coin mechanism.